So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand history current user. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand Microsoft. Now you want to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows. Here it is. You want to expand Windows. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now you want to expand current version. Now you want to find the run folder. We're going to scroll down till we find run. Here it is. You want to click on run. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you're going to be having something that's called next live. You want to delete this. So once you find next live, you're going to right click on it and then click on delete. And then click on yes. And then once you delete that, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.